We're at the Rone Residences in Houston, Texas. The Rone Residences in Houston, Texas, and we're actually at their lounge. It's a really pretty lounge area. It's gorgeous. So we're walking through it. It's very modern. It's light. It's bright. It's really, really attractive. And look at the even the lighting, that recessed lighting that's there in the ceiling. Really pretty. This is a very gorgeous lounge. Just lovely, lots of space. You got a kind of a fireplace here that's really pretty. And then, hey, we move on and we're here in the, everything lights up, by the way, when you walk in. So it's got a full kitchen in here, it looks like. Pretty full kitchen, pretty close to it with some fridges and looks like some ice there. And then you've got this really nice game room here that's really, really nice. Beautiful game room. Love the game room here. I love this little area back here too. This is fantastic. This is kind of a more of a room. It's almost entirely closed off. Really pretty room, just to really watch some games, watch some movies. You know, really, really have a lot of fun. So that's what that looks like there. We're going to go over here, and now we're right by the pool. So we're going to go and take a look at the pool real quick. Before we do, we're going to go look at this kitchen and dining lounge. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below, and I'll get you more information about this really pretty Rone Residences. We'll set up a live tour or a FaceTime tour. We can also compare residences in Houston, Texas too. This is Best Houston Apartments, so we can always compare so you can know what the best Houston apartments are for you. So send that text below.